Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Sinta Putrielza. I am from group 2. Today we will discuss about writing an inquiry letter. So, before we start our discussion today, I want to introduce my group. The first is me, Sinta Putrielza, as moderator and speaker, and next is Gina Febriami as speaker, and next Friska Selviana as speaker. The last is Reza Arizal as speaker. Okay, the first material that will be delivered by Gina Febriani. Gina, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks to moderator Sinta Putrielza, and my name is Gina Febriami, and I will explain to definition writing an inquiry letter. An inquiry letter is a formal communication written to request information, clarification, or assistance on specific topic. It is typically sent to a business, organization, or individual to gather these details about product, as service, policies, and other matters of interest. And the letters should be clear, concise, and polite, outline the purpose of the inquiry and any specific question. And the next letter inquiry is a formal written communication sent and request specific information, and this typical use the when its sender is seeking answer of future understanding about the product, service, job, even on other matters that require additional knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for Gina. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Friska Selviana. My NPM 21040053. So I will explain the next material about purposes of an inquiry letter include 1. Requesting information. It's about to ask for specific details about products, services, events, policies, or other subjects from a company, organization, or individual. 2. Seeking clarifications. It's about to gain a better understanding of unclear aspects of a subject or previous communication, such as terms, conditions, or process. And 3. Requesting pricing or quotas. To inquire about the cost of products or services, including discounts, fees, or package. 4. Exploring opportunities. To inquire about job openings, internships, business partnerships, or educational opportunities. 5. Verifying availability. To check the availability of services, products, or specific dates, like for events, bookings, or appointments. 6. Requesting samples or demonstrations. To ask for product samples, brochures, or demonstrations to better evaluate an offering. And next 7, establishing a professional connection. To initiate communication and build a relationship with a business or individual for future collaboration or transactions. And 8, following up on previous communications. It's about to inquire about the status of a prior request, order, or applications. Okay, maybe that's all from me, and the next material will be explained by Sinta.
Okay, thank you very much, Friska. I'm Sinta Putrielza. I want to tell the next material about the structure of an inquiry letter. So the first is sender's information. Your contact is detailed. For type in the sender's information, first is name, 2 address, 3 phone number, and the last is email address. Okay. Number 2 is date. The date the letter is written. So the 3 is recipient's information. The contact detail of the person of organization you're writing to, name, title, company or organization name, for address. 4. Solution. Solution. A polite greeting such as dear or to whom it might concern if the recipient's name in unknown. Okay, 5 is introduction. Briefly state the reason for your letter, introduction yourself, and outlining the general purpose of your inquiry. 6. Body. Have 3 body. Provide detailed information on what you're inquiring about. 2. Ask specific question or request clarification, information, or assistance. 3. Be clear and concise, ensuring that the recipient understands what you're asking for. Okay, the last is conclusions. Politely thank the recipient for their time and consideration. 2. Offer to provide further information if needed. 3. Mention how you would like them to respond. 8. Closing. A formal closing remark such as sincerely or best regards, followed by your name and signature. 9. Enclosures. If you're including any documents or attachments, mention them at the bottom of the letter. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, the next is example of inquiry letter. You can see this letter. The letter have all the structure of an inquiry letter. The first is sender information, that recipient information, solution, introduction, body, conclusion, closing, and enclosures. Okay, the next material this will be delivered by Reza Arizal.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Reza Arizal with NPM SU10400042. First, I would to say thank you to Sinta who explained and provide an example and structure writing an inquiry letter. Next, I'll tell you about language in inquiry letters. Understanding the importance of clarity and politeness when writing an inquiry letter, it is crucial to use language that is both clear and polite. This approach helps ensure that your message is well understood and that you receive a positive response. Key elements of an inquiry letters. First, opening. In opening, direct and concise. Begin by clearly stating the purpose of your inquiry. Example, I am writing to inquire about the availability of your product or service. Specific request. Be clear and specific. Outline exactly what information you need. Example, could you please provide information about the pricing option for your product or service? And avoid ambiguity. Use precise language to prevent misunderstandings. Example, I am interested in learning more about the features of your products. And the last is gratitude. Express appreciation. Thank the recipient for their time and consideration. Example, I would appreciate your assistance with this inquiry. And offer to follow up. Indicate your willingness to provide additional information if needed. Example, please don't hesitate to contact me if you require any further details. Okay, I think that's all I can say in this opportunity. Thank you.